Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We are very happy to see you here again. This channel is created especially for people who want to learn English in a simple, clear, and friendly way.
If you are a beginner, if you feel shy when speaking English, or if you want to improve your confidence in speaking, then this channel is perfect for you.
On Dr. Manha English Channel, we practice English through real conversations, simple stories, and daily life situations. Listening to English again and again helps your brain understand the language naturally.
Remember something important. Learning English is a journey.
Step by step, day by day, your English will improve.
Today we have a very helpful and exciting topic.
Many people understand English, but they feel nervous when speaking.
They think, my English is not good. What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me?
But today, we will share 10 simple and powerful tips that will help you speak English fluently and confidently.
And of course, our two friends, Manha and Umar, will talk about these tips in a friendly and simple conversation.
So, relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English with us. Now, let's begin our conversation.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast.
Hello, friends. I am Umar, and I am very happy to be here again.
And I am Manha. Today, we will talk about a very important topic.
Yes, today we will talk about how to speak English fluently and confidently.
Many learners want to speak English well.
But sometimes they feel afraid.
That is true.
But today, we will share 10 useful tips to help everyone.
Yes, these tips are simple but powerful.
Let us start with the first tip.
Tip number 1 is very simple.
Speak English every day.
Yes, daily practice is very important.
Even if you speak for only 5 minutes.
That is still great practice.
Speaking every day trains your brain.
And slowly, your confidence grows.
Tip number 2 is very important.
Yes, it is very important.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
So do not worry.
Just speak and learn.
Tip number 3 is about sentences.
Yes.
Use simple sentences.
Simple English is powerful.
For example, I like coffee.
I am learning English.
I am happy today.
These sentences are simple but useful.
Tip number 4 is listening.
Listening improves speaking.
Listen to English podcasts.
Watch English videos.
Listen carefully to pronunciation.
Then try to repeat.
Tip number 5 is a powerful method.
It is called shadowing.
Shadowing means listening and repeating at the same time.
This improves pronunciation.
It also improves fluency.
Tip number 6 is thinking in English.
Yes, train your mind.
For example, I am hungry.
I need water.
I am going to work.
These small thoughts build English thinking.
Tip number 7 is speaking with friends.
Find someone who also wants to learn English.
Practice together.
Even simple conversations help a lot.
Tip number 8 is learning from daily life.
Describe what you see around you.
For example, I see a car.
I am drinking tea.
I am opening the door.
Tip number 9 is patience.
Yes, learning English takes time.
Do not rush.
Practice every day.
Small steps create big results.
Now we come to the final tip.
Tip number 10 is very powerful.
Believe in yourself.
Confidence is the key to fluency.
If you believe you can improve, you will improve. Manha, I think our listeners now know the 10 tips.
Yes, but we can explain them more with examples.
That is a good idea.
Examples make learning easier.
Yes, they help people understand better.
Let us talk about daily speaking practice.
Okay.
You can say, "Good morning. Today is a new day."
Then you can say, I will study English today.
Or you can say, "I will work today."
These sentences are simple but useful.
Another good practice is talking about your day.
Yes,
For example, I woke up at 7 o'clock.
I brushed my teeth.
You ate breakfast.
I went to work.
This is a great speaking exercise.
You can also talk about your favorite things.
Yes, that is a fun practice.
For example, my favorite food is pizza.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite hobby is reading.
Talking about things you like makes speaking easier.
Another good method is asking yourself questions.
Yes, that is a great idea.
For example, what did I do today?
Then answer, I studied English.
Another question, what will I do tomorrow?
Answer, I will practice English tomorrow.
Let us share a small speaking game.
Yes, games make learning fun.
The game is called word expansion.
Start with one word.
For example, book.
Then make a sentence. This is a book.
Then expand it. This is my English book.
Then expand again. This is my English learning book.
You see, the sentence becomes bigger.
Pronunciation is also important.
Yes.
To improve pronunciation, listen carefully.
Then repeat the sentence.
Repeat many times.
This practice trains your mouth and tongue.
Another powerful practice is recording your voice.
Yes.
Use your phone.
Record yourself speaking English.
Then listen to your recording.
You will notice your mistakes.
And you will improve.
Confidence grows slowly.
Yes, step by step.
First, speak alone.
Then speak with a friend.
Then speak in a group.
Slowly, your fear will disappear.
Manha, what is the most important rule for speaking English?
The most important rule is very simple.
What is it?
Do not stop practicing.
Yes.
Practice every day.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Today, we will give more simple ideas to practice speaking.
These ideas are easy for beginners.
One good way to practice English is asking daily questions.
Yes, questions help your brain think in English.
For example, ask yourself simple questions.
Like this. What am I doing now?
Then answer, I am listening to an English podcast.
Another question can be, what will I do today?
Then answer, I will practice English today.
This is a simple but powerful exercise.
Another good practice is describing things around you.
Yes.
Look around your room.
What do you see?
Maybe you see a table.
You can say, this is my table.
Maybe you see a window.
You can say, there is a window.
Maybe you see a phone.
You can say, this is my phone.
This simple practice improves your speaking.
Talking about feelings is also a great practice.
Yes.
For example, I feel happy today.
Or, I feel tired today.
Or, I feel excited to learn English.
These sentences are simple but meaningful. Repetition is very powerful in language learning.
Yes.
When you repeat sentences many times, your brain remembers them.
For example, I am learning English.
Repeat again. I am learning English.
Repeat again. I am learning English every day.
Slowly, your speaking becomes natural.
You do not need a special time to practice English.
Yes.
Use English in small moments.
For example, when you drink water, say, I am drinking water.
When you walk outside, say, I am walking outside.
When you eat food, say, I am eating lunch.
Another important tip is not comparing yourself with others.
Yes.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Some people learn faster.
Some people learn slowly.
But that is okay.
Your progress is your own journey.
When you improve, celebrate your progress.
Yes.
If you can speak one new sentence today, that is success.
If you understand a new word, that is progress.
Small success leads to big success.
Dear listeners, we want to tell you something important.
Yes, something very important.
You are capable of learning English.
Believe in yourself.
Practice every day.
And never give up. Today, we are helping you speak English fluently and confidently.
And we are sharing many simple ideas to practice English.
Umar, I think stories are a great way to practice English.
Yes, stories are very helpful,
When you tell a story, you use many sentences.
and that improves speaking.
Let us try a small story.
Good idea.
I will start.
Okay.
One day, I woke up early in the morning.
Then I made a cup of tea.
After that, I opened my English book.
I studied English for 30 minutes.
Then, I felt happy and proud.
This is a simple story.
But it helps practice many sentences.
Listeners can also describe their morning.
Yes,
For example, I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I drink tea.
I go to work.
These small sentences create a daily story.
Learning phrases is also helpful.
Yes, phrases make speaking faster.
For example, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
See you later.
These phrases are used in everyday conversations.
Manha, do you know a powerful speaking trick?
What is it?
Practice speaking in front of a mirror.
Yes, that is a great method.
When you speak in front of a mirror, you see your face.
You also see your expressions.
This builds confidence.
Some learners try to memorize thousands of words.
Yes, but that can be difficult.
Instead, learn 5 new words every day.
Then, use those words in sentences.
For example, word, happy.
Sentence, I feel happy today.
Word, learn.
Sentence, I want to learn English.
Fear is the biggest problem for many learners.
Yes,
People think too much before speaking.
but speaking should feel natural,
Just start talking.
even if your sentence is not perfect.
Let us try a speaking exercise.
Okay.
Repeat after me. I want to improve my English.
Very good. Now repeat, I will practice English every day.
Excellent. One more sentence. I believe in myself.
Wonderful.
Dear listeners, learning English is a beautiful journey.
Yes,
Every day you learn something new.
every day your confidence grows.
Just keep going.
Never stop practicing.
And now we have reached the end of another wonderful English learning episode on Dr. Manha English Channel.
Today, we talked about many ways to improve your English speaking skills.
We shared tips, exercises, and small conversations to help you become more confident when speaking English.
Remember something very important.
Fluency is not about speaking perfect English.
Fluency is about communicating your ideas clearly and confidently.
If you practice speaking a little every day, your English will improve faster than you think.
So, starting today, try to use English in your daily life.
Talk about your day. Describe what you see.
Ask questions. Tell small stories.
Little by little, you will become more comfortable speaking English.
And one day, you will realize something amazing.
Speaking English will feel natural for you.
If you enjoyed today's podcast, please like this video and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Your support helps Dr. Manha English Channel grow and reach more English learners around the world.
Also, do not forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future English learning podcasts.
Thank you so much for spending your time learning English with us.
We truly appreciate your support. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself.
And we will meet again very soon in the next episode of Dr. Manha English Channel.
Until then, stay motivated, stay confident, and keep improving your English.
Goodbye, everyone.